Hi guys, welcome to this new video. You know that I'm always looking out for the all the tricky idiomatic expressions that all intermediate and advanced students would have a hard time understanding in a conversation or in the press. So here's one, for instance, that I saw that you would see both in the press apparently and in a conversation. It's pretty colloquial, if not slang, but it's completely acceptable in a conversation. It's not rude, there's no bad word per se. And it reads, qu'est-ce qu'elle a besoin de la ramener? Qu'est-ce qu'elle a besoin de la ramener? But remember all those E's without an accent that we skip in French. So it would really sound like qu'est-ce qu'elle a besoin de la ramener? Completely idiomatic. You could say qu'est-ce que tu as besoin de la ramener? Qu'est-ce que tu as besoin de la ramener? And that means why do you need to open your mouth? Why do you need to give your opinion about this? And it's just a slang way of putting it, okay? Why do you have to give your opinion about this? Why do you have to open your mouth about this? Okay, no one asks your opinion. Qu'est-ce que tu as besoin de la ramener? Okay, this word is actually not quite formal. It's pretty standard, not used every day, but since it's not used every day or that much, if you run into it, you might wonder what it means. Saugrenu, and it's pronounced like this, saugrenu. Une idée saugrenue. That means a crazy idea, an idea that's a little out there, okay? Et c'est une idée saugrenue. So the headline reads, l'idée saugrenue du Qatar pour combattre la chaleur. Qatar's crazy idea to fight heat, okay? In more standard French, regular French, we might talk about une idée folle, a crazy idea, okay? I would say saugrenu is more of an older school kind of French in terms of speech register, okay? It's not rude, it's not colloquial, really. It's almost old-fashioned, I would say. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please post them below. Don't forget to go to the rest of the YouTube channel to check out all these beautiful lessons and videos that we have. You can subscribe to the entire course, which is amazing. You'll learn everything you should have learned in immersion, all the structures, the rules that are so complicated when explained at school that I can make so straightforward because I explain them specifically for English speakers. So subscribe to the entire course monthly or purchase any package that you want. If you have any questions, drop me a line at alex@language-city.com, and hopefully I'll see you soon at Language City and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt, salut!